Yeah? Can you reach him? You've dribbled some peach onto Fatty's back, so that's lovely. How far can you reach, eh? Are you going to wave? Hi! Hi! Isn't that funny? What's so funny, hey? You got the hiccups now. You got the snorts happening, mister. Oh, you've seen the dog again. There he is. Your best friend. The new noise sounds great through the hiccups. It does. It's pretty funny. So, what are you going to laugh at now? You're looking for him. He's over here. See? He's at the front. Double wave? That's exciting. Hi. Hi. It's so funny. Yes. Is that it? No more? We're done? We done? Yeah, we're not done, are we? No. Bingley's licking your toes there, see? Is that fun? Is it time to clean you up? All that mess? Yeah? Alright, clean up time. Clean up. Bye. See ya. Oh, good work. Good waving. You could almost clap now. Yeah? No, we're not clapping. We're just waving. Bye.